Hi everyone, Ken Stewart at Hear Care. We're talking about the procedures involved in a hearing test. We talked about the three parts of the ear, the outer, the middle, and the inner. We want to talk about the middle ear space right now. The middle ear here starts with your eardrum. Most of us have heard about the eardrum. As sound flows through to the eardrum here, the eardrum acts like the sail of a sailboat. There's movement because of the pressure. And there's some bones attached to that eardrum, and so now those bones are moving in unison with the eardrum. So you've got some mechanical energy in this portion. We've got ways to be able to test those mechanics. A couple ways that we do that is through some tuning fork tests. We do a series of tests where we have you hear sounds out here. We have you have sounds directly through your cranium or your skull. Most of us know that you can hear sound through vibration. It tells us a lot of information about that part of the ear when we use sound through vibration, like putting a tuning fork against your head. And then this machine here is called a tympanometer. Again, we're testing the movement of some of these mechanics as we present pressure inside the ear. So again, first two steps, you want to make sure visibly the ear looks good and that mechanically the ear is working the way it was intended.